Heartfelt Creations releases papers and cutting dies and stamps and shaping molds all together that all coordinate together. I want to show you the papers, and but I do want you to know that all of these are available. And let's set these aside. And let me show you what the papers look like. Now there's 24 of these in the pad, and you're going to get 2 of every single design. And you get kind of a snapshot of what's going on the front of the pad. So let me show you. Now for years I've said that out of one 12 by 12 you can get at least 4 cards. But Heartfelt Creations has really made it easy because they've just done the artwork so that you can cut them out. There's borders, there's that whole piece, and then you can add the cutting dies or the stamps or whatever you like to them. Now on the back side they are double-sided, so that is really a bonus because if you don't want to use the cutouts, you have another piece of paper that will work perfectly. So 2 of those, you're going to get 2 of these. And again, you've got another backing on the back of it. So these are all sized to fit. Here is another of the sheets. And again, on the back, you have a lovely piece of paper. This is a second sheet. Here is another. And same thing, you're going to get 2 of these, and there is artwork on the back side, so nothing goes to waste ever. All of these, so really nice for doing the insides of your cards, the front of your cards, whatever you like. Then we're getting into the papers themselves, but they too are double-sided. So you're going to get 2 of these, 2 of these. Now you might be thinking, okay, but that's really for scrapbooking because I see this great big area, but stop and think. Remember, you can do 4 out of every single sheet of 12 by 12 paper, so that's going to work nicely. Now this sheet is really interesting because you can cut these out, or they will perfectly fit the cutting die that's also available. So you can see how they're spaced to go perfectly with the cutting die. And the cutting die has the birds, it has the flowers, lots of things for you. And you're going to get 2 of those sheets. And again, it's patterned on the back. Here is another of the cutouts, but you know the deal. On the back side, here we go with 4 and more on the back. And even more. They've just done a really nice job to have everything coordinating. Lots of cutouts here, tags, greetings, all of that together for you, or use it on the back side. That's all 24 of them. As I said, it's a really good standalone piece, but when you combine it with the cutting dies, the stamps, and that wonderful shaping mold that you just run the paper through, place it in the plastic mold and run it through your die cutting machine, and you're going to get shaped flowers in a flash. All of this from Heartfelt Creations, all of it is the Cherry Blossom Retreat, as well as the Cherry Blossom Shaping Mold and the Tweed Cherry Blossom dies and stamps.